Now we will demonstrate how to use the replacement toner cartridge, model number Canon 131 toner, which is compatible with printer models HP LaserJet Pro 200 color. Our first step is to gently shake the toner cartridge to evenly distribute the toner powder within the replacement toner cartridge. Now we remove the protective tabs at each side of the replacement toner cartridge. Then we will remove the protective plastic strip, pull gently. Once that's removed, then we will remove the protective plastic cover. Then we will insert into the printer. Now we will insert the replacement toner cartridge into the printer. First we will open the printer, then the cartridge bay. Then we will insert the printer, keeping the IC to the right side and to the top, locking it into place. Then we will repeat the same steps for the cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges. After inserting the 4 printer cartridges, now we will close the printer cartridge bay and close the printer and do our test print. And here's our test print for replacement toner cartridge, model number Canon 131 toner, which is compatible with printer models HP LaserJet Pro 200 color and many additional models.